Aiper Seagull Pro Troubleshooting Maintenance Tips. Proper maintenance of your Aiper Seagull Pro can extend its lifespan. Follow these maintenance tips to ensure optimal performance. Routine cleaning. Regular cleaning keeps your Aiper Seagull Pro in top condition. After each use, rinse the device with fresh water. This removes any debris or saltwater residue. Remove the filter. Open the filter compartment and take out the filter. Rinse it thoroughly under running water. This prevents clogs and maintains suction power. Clean the brushes. Check the brushes for tangled hair or debris. Use a brush or cloth to clean them. Wipe the exterior. Use a damp cloth to clean the exterior of the device. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Storage guidelines. Storing your Aiper Seagull Pro properly ensures its longevity. Follow these storage tips for best results. 1. Dry the device. After cleaning, let the device dry completely. This prevents mold and mildew growth. 2. Store in a cool place. Keep the device in a cool, dry place. Avoid direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. 3. Use a storage bag. If possible, use a storage bag to protect the device. This keeps dust and dirt away. Following these maintenance tips will help your Aiper Seagull Pro perform its best. A little care can go a long way in extending its lifespan.